Hi Steve.
Well, today we're visiting Steve with his RS because he's got a leaky thermostat housing. So he's phoned 999, the Kerbside emergency response unit.
The hotline.
And that's how we're here.
So we're here.
If we can help anyone out, we'll help them out.
If we think it's the thermostat, you can see the water all over the pump. You could see it dripping earlier, but yeah, so we're going to have that off.
Making them a happy bunny.
And we'll be right back. Oh, 5 minutes later, Steve's got it off. And yeah, it's a bit crusty.
Has it got a standing anywhere?
It's not mega bad. Yeah. This is a bit horrible.
Someone's put all gasket stuff on one side. If they'd done the other side, it wouldn't leak.
But yeah.
Look, they ain't done the side for the block.
No. That's alright. We found the problem with it. The actual thermostat itself, the housing, is rotted through. Right there. So there ain't no sealing that up. We have to order a new one of those. Get that and we'll get it back on. And it'll be all good. So we've got a new one. Steve's just putting a bit of sealant on it. It's always handy. Bit of an extra.
Only on the waterway it is, stop it leaking. The gaskets ain't all that, are they?
Not really, they're only paper, aren't they? So, yeah. Get it all nipped up. And he'll be an happy bunny again.
Be back on the road.
Yeah. So yeah. Lovely little car really. Tidy old thing.